If you've ever stood in front of a washing machine wondering what on earth to do next, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to use a front-loading washing machine, which is the most common type of washer in the UK. Step 1. Sort your laundry. Let's start with sorting your laundry. Actually, this step is kind of optional. Traditionally, people sort clothes into whites, darks, coloureds and delicates. This is generally a good idea to stop whites going grey and colours running. Delicate clothes should be separated and washed on gentler settings or by hand. However, if you're doing a low-temperature wash with modern detergent, you can usually get away with mixing colours, especially with everyday clothes like t-shirts, gym wear and pyjamas. If you're washing something brand new though, especially bright reds, blues or dark denim, it's still a good idea to wash it separately the first time, just in case the colour runs. Step 2. Check the labels. Next, check the care labels on your clothes. These little tags tell you exactly how to wash your clothes without ruining them, but the symbols on them can look like mysterious Egyptian hieroglyphs. The wash symbol looks like a little tub of water and has a number inside it, like 30, 40 or 60, which is the maximum temperature you should wash it at. If there's a hand in the tub, it means hand wash only. If there's a cross over the tub, that means you shouldn't wash it. Maybe dry clean it instead. We can ignore the other symbols for now since they relate to ironing, drying and bleaching your clothes. If you're unsure about what the symbols mean, a cool wash at 30 degrees Celsius on a gentle cycle is usually safe for most modern fabrics. Step 3. Load the machine. Now pop your clothes into the drum. Don't overload it. A good rule of thumb is to leave about a hand's width of space at the top. If it's too full, your clothes won't clean properly and it could damage the machine. Step 4. Add detergent. Most UK front loaders have a drawer on the top left side. Pull it out gently and you'll see up to 3 compartments inside. These are usually labelled as follows: I or 1 for pre-wash detergent. You'll only need this if you're running a pre-wash cycle. II or 2. This is the main compartment for your regular detergent. A flower symbol or a star. This is for fabric softener. Not all machines have labels written clearly, so look for these numbers or symbols. If in doubt, your machine's manual will tell you exactly which is which. And if you're using pods or capsules, don't put them in the drawer. These go straight into the drum before you add your clothes. Use the recommended amount on the detergent packaging. Too much detergent can actually make your clothes feel stiff or cause a build-up in the machine over time. Step 5. Choose the wash cycle. The cotton cycle is a good choice for durable everyday clothes. Synthetics are for polyester or mixed fabrics. Use the delicates cycle for light, fragile items. Obviously, choose wool for anything woolen. The quick wash option is good for when you're short on time, but it's not ideal for very dirty clothes. The Eco Wash setting uses less energy and water, but be warned, it usually takes longer. Step 6. Start the machine. Once you're happy with the settings, close the door firmly and press the start button. Now let the machine do its thing. Finally, step 7. Unload. When the cycle is finished, open the door and take your clothes out as soon as possible. This helps prevent musty smells and reduces creasing. Now you just have to dry them. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.